Causes of pollution. Industries and factories produce a lot of waste, which contains toxic chemicals and pollutants. These can cause water pollution and soil pollution if not properly disposed of. Burning of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and other factory combustibles is a major cause of air pollution. These fuels release harmful gases including carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. Cars and trucks emit harmful gases and particulates, contributing significantly to air pollution. Agricultural activities can cause pollution through the use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides. These chemicals can seep into the groundwater or become airborne, causing water and air pollution. Inappropriate disposal of waste can cause land and water pollution. This includes both non-biodegradable waste like plastic and hazardous waste like chemicals or medical waste. Consequences of pollution. Exposure to pollution can cause a variety of health problems, including respiratory diseases, cardiovascular diseases, stroke, and cancer. Air pollution alone is estimated to cause millions of premature deaths each year. Certain types of air pollution, particularly greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane, contribute to global warming and climate change. Pollution can harm wildlife and damage ecosystems. For example, water pollution can lead to loss of aquatic life, while soil pollution can make land unsuitable for plants. Pollution can lead to loss of biodiversity as it can make environments uninhabitable for certain species. Pollution can have significant economic costs, including healthcare costs for treating illnesses caused by pollution and costs related to the cleanup of polluted areas. The primary sources of air pollution are household combustion devices, motor vehicles, industrial facilities, and forest fires. The pollutants of major public health concern include particulate matter, carbon monoxide, ozone, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. Air pollution is not just a health issue, but also a climate issue. Many of the drivers of air pollution, such as the combustion of fossil fuels, are also sources of greenhouse gas emissions. Therefore, policies to reduce air pollution can also contribute to the mitigation of climate change. Here are some key points to consider. Almost all of the global population, 99%, breathe air that exceeds WHO guideline limits and contains high levels of pollutants, with low and middle-income countries suffering from the highest exposures. Air quality is closely linked to the Earth's climate and ecosystems globally. Policies to reduce air pollution offer a win-win strategy for both climate and health, lowering the burden of disease attributable to air pollution, as well as contributing to the near and long-term mitigation of climate change. Over 2 billion people live in water-stressed countries, a situation expected to worsen due to climate change and population growth. Globally, at least 2 billion people use a drinking water source contaminated with feces. This microbial contamination poses the greatest risk to drinking water safety. The most important chemical risks in drinking water arise from arsenic, fluoride, or nitrate. However, emerging contaminants such as pharmaceuticals, pesticides, per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances, PFAS, and microplastics are also of concern. Microbiologically contaminated drinking water can transmit diseases such as diarrhea, cholera, dysentery, typhoid, and polio, and is estimated to cause 485,000 diarrheal deaths each year. Inadequate management of urban, industrial, and agricultural wastewater means the drinking water of hundreds of millions of people is dangerously contaminated or chemically polluted. Climate change will lead to greater fluctuations in harvested rainwater. Management of all water resources will need to improve to ensure provision and quality.